For 3 days, I have been lying down like a dead man. I've been in the house, crying. I don't know what to say. For 3 days, I thought I would not talk to people like I'm talking today. I know you must be wondering, why is it that we are not seeing nomination videos of Honorable Jago Fred? I have been so weak to the extent that I cannot talk. Because whenever I start talking about this, I find myself crying. I want to be strong like a man, but I find myself becoming so weak. Most people want to know what happened. Most people I know have been calling my number. It's not available. The last people I talked to was the Secretary General and the President of the National Unity Platform. When I was at the police station, recording statement, when they raided me and removed my nomination papers. After that, I decided to run for my life. After recording the statement, they followed me and removed my phone. I am now using my wife's phone. I am so weak to the extent that I just pray to God my story should move out. Because I know people want to know what happened, but I don't have even the energy to tell them. People in Kitgumu are asking, did you nominate? That's the question. So I want to tell you 4 things that happened. 1, the National Unity Platform paid my nomination fees. I have the papers. I have the receipt. The National Unity Platform paid my nomination fees. 2, my nomination papers were removed by someone who I suppose was prepared to come and grab them. Next, all the people who were set to sign my papers, like the official agent, like the, how do we call them, nominator, seconder, I was supposed to meet them that night of Wednesday, so that on Thursday, nobody knows who will come and sign. Because I have tried almost three sets of people. They will tell me, for me, I fear things of Nook. I fear things of NUP. I fear they will beat me. I fear they will arrest me. People are fearing. To the extent that I had to meet these people at night. As I was going to meet them, the unfortunate thing happened. When my phone was removed, I could not even now communicate to the Secretariat. Up to now, I have not communicated to the Secretariat. I am devastated. I don't know what to do. I am so bitter. I'm so annoyed. I feel like squeezing someone to death. But I know I'm not alone. When they told me that same day, many people did not nominate. This is the kind of Uganda that you people of NRM are saying, we have peace. This is the kind of Uganda. Other people are telling me they knew about it. It was everywhere. One person was moving around town saying if Jago nominates, she will walk naked. Meaning it was a planned thing. By the time I was recording my statement, I saw some police people laughing. I even told one policewoman, I told her, you laugh, that this will catch up with you. I told her, I'm not cursing you, but you laugh. You're laughing that I am now crying for my purpose. But this will catch up with you. I know this was not done to punish me. This was done to make sure the president of the National Unity Platform, Bobi Wine, comes to Kitgumu when there is no contestant. That's what they wanted. This is not about Jago. It's not about me. It's only a fool who will think it's about me. This is a fight on Bobi Wine. Because for me, even if I don't go to parliament, doesn't matter. But we need to move. We need to remove this government. The struggle must continue. To those who want to annoy me, someone met me today and told me that somebody is saying you were bought. I just looked at the person. I only controlled myself. I would be in prison for another reason. I would be in police cell right now for another reason. Because I was going to strangle that person down. I was bought. With this annoyance, I was bought. That was their plan. They knew after disorganizing me, they would move around the town, spreading false propaganda so that I look a fool in front of people. They want me to look a useless person in front of people. I knew. So they have put propagandists everywhere. One thing that's annoying me so much, our own very member, our member of the National Unity Platform, people who were bought with money, are now trying to conscribe me into that and make it appear that all of us, because they know I have some influence, they want to put all of us. Yes, all of us. I want to tell you, we are going to be judged by our deeds, our actions. They wanted to annoy me so that by the time Bobi Wine comes to Kitgumu, I am still too annoyed to talk. They didn't want me to talk. But I had to pick myself up and stand like a man. Because I know the struggle must continue. Whether I am on the ballot or not, the struggle must continue. That's why I picked myself and said, even if I'm using my wife's phone, I have to record a video and let the world know that the struggle must continue. It is not about Jago. It's not about Bobi Wine. It's not about Joel Senyonyi. It's not about Rubongoya Lewis. This is about all of us. How many comrades died? They might have even killed me. They would have even killed me on that day. What would be happening today if I was dead? The struggle must continue, with or without me. Those who are saying I was bought, a person who was bought, can they put on this red beret in Kitgumu? I am here in Kitgumu. Can a person putting on red beret walk in Kitgumu? Like myself, who walk on the street with red beret? I want to tell them, my family members, they don't know where I get the strength from. They're even too scared. Because they were scared by the regime. I want to tell you that my commitment in this struggle will be judged by another generation. But this generation may not judge me. I don't know. I have a lot of things to say. I may not say it all. But all I know is when the president comes to Kitgumu, that day, if they want to kill me, they will kill me. They want to shoot me, they will shoot me. Because I must welcome His Excellency Bobi Wine in Kitgumu. If they arrest me, let them arrest me. I am here.